Irene that brought when you see Eric Tato was a devoted activist. Remember, the rally in New York, Eric Tato was there.
Yes.
So if you want to talk about people who went compromise, I'm even forgotten again. Let me Nambere to his part. All from the Southern Zone. You have Nambere, Prince Jeka, Eric Tato, Kuku Blinks, Marianka, Sekti Chris. I will call you names from the Southern Zone, which our president indirectly drove them from the war and promoted those from Momo. I don't want to use Northern Zone.
Okay.
Because not all in Zone people are like that. The people of Bui, the people of Mbui, the people of Gokitunja, they are different.
Okay.
So I want to use Momo Cartel because most of the names which the president has defended, it's just around that Momo Cartel. And the Momo Cartel is not everybody from Momo. Get that? The Momo Cartel is not everybody. It's some particular people which centers around the president's interests. Now, if you look, the president, Ma Irene, had a case with Reverend Asong. Between them two, the president fired Reverend Asong.
Yes.
Kept Ma Irene.
Yes.
The same thing, anybody that followed Reverend Asong towards that case, Ma Irene wished the war. But the chairman, Mulangumba, had to support the security chief inside Faku. Because Reverend Asong was voted and made the security chief. The chairman definitely has to support her security chief. Ma Irene pushed for the chairman Mulangumba to be removed. When Mullah Dean said no, I will be quoting you. It's only Ma Irene name that will come up in most of the cases. Okay. Somebody says stop tribalism. This is the pure tribalism that is happening, which Ambazonians are watching. If you don't cure tribalism, you can never have a free Ambazonia. I want to tell you, if you don't cure it,
okay. Well,
most of you from the Northern Zone, you are quick to say tribalism, but most of you are brothers from the Northern Zone.
Yes.
You are the ones which have been inflicted with it. Yes.
Okay.
I've always said it here, and you all cannot bully us down because majority of Ambazonians are watching you. Most of you, man, not say all, most, because there are many of our brothers who are not like you from the Northern Zone. Especially those them way they don't taste power. They are very tribalistic.
I love
it. They say you don't see play way, man way you want do best way it be racist. Baby hide them. He want show you racism. Now so much of a day. Thank you. So no kame kanto. This is merciful truth. And some of you will be very deadly on that.
Tell us.
So let me continue.
Tell us more.
Ma Irene, as chairman for FACO, he want touch on the case of Reverend Asong. President Sako act immediately.
Yes.
Immediately. President Sako not talk say we are on the issue.
No.
Institutions, because like it talk Kopadi Asanga in this thing, it tell Kopadi on case say, no. The case between Secretary Chris and Ma Irene, institutions are working on it. The case between Reverend Asong, the institutions too had to work. Where was the institution in the case of Reverend Asong? Where was the institutions in the case of Kuku Blinks? Where was the institutions in the case of Sekti Chris? Where was the institutions in the case of Mulangumba? Where was the institution? The institutions were dead. The Restoration Council was dead. The Ethics Committee was dead.
Yes.
All the other councils were dead. The communities are alive when it concerns Aringwa. The committees are alive when it concerns Uchemba Nelson. The committees are alive when it concerns Momo Kate. The committees are alive when it concerns Combat.
Yes.
When it concerns people who bring up influence from the Southern Zone to push Ambazonia to be one. No, the committees are all dead. Ambazonia. I'm coming to Scriptors Currency. All the committees are dead. When it comes to those who are pushing the firepower from the Southern Zone, no, the committees are dead.
Dead.
In the case of Mulangumba, there was no committee.
Not at all.
The president sat behind. Talk with the cabinet. They said, let's go over and take over Fako County. Let's go. Appoint new chair people. Appoint.
Yes.
Ma Eli too, since the mother was so hungry for power, they had to put Ma Eli up. Ma Eli, you'll be the chairwoman, the chairperson. Ma Eli said yes.
Yes.
She's the same time the vice chair of the IOC, the same time the chairman of Fako County.
Yes.
But they refused Reverend Asong to have two positions. But the same two now, Ma Irene is the director of resource mobilization, and now she's taking Richards in the
my country people them today na number 11 day for November 2021. When I match fire for the Sheram as when I join. This one na Prince J. Carr, Joshua Carr, we come out from Limbe, na Sako Ikome, ye biggest and toughest surrogates. It day today, it castigate Sako Ikome. Now, one of you most followed live broadcast this today. Yes, you don't get more than 282 live views them, and they are counting because even me, countryman, I share the live show. When I watch them.
I hear on an audio now, she's challenging Secretary Chris.
Yes.
That if Secretary Chris called her name, she will take Secretary Chris to court. One woman shaking in the house, and the president is quiet in this case. The president cannot act. But when it concerns any other team, anybody that is not under Aringwa's cover, the president acts.
Act.
Oh, executive order from the president. I, President Sako, have ordered for the Fako County security team to be suspended. From henceforth, Barrister Fru will be the vice chair, Ma Eli.
Corruption.
I'm blocking them, my female general. Don't bother. If you just see anyone's name, just put her. We block. We block.
We go watch you
immediately.
Black Light, come and watch
When it concerns
MKPG.
anybody under my Irene's cover, the president doesn't act.
70.
That's true, eh? Now you don't hear the Fako security chairman anymore.
Una watch
You
them.
don't hear Reverend Asong.
Them boys.
The woman which, yes, despite she too is sometimes is getting angry. Even though sometimes he don't get angry, but the woman was very useful.
Comedy.
Very useful. Now, if we don't pray, you see the way they are attacking Secretary Chris, you think the brother Field Marshal which is on the ground. That's what I'm telling you. La Republic is using one person to destroy this revolution. As they don't touch Secretary Chris now, they don't say psychologically it go fit touch Field Marshal. So you see?
You see?
Who did he use them?
Sako.
Iringwa. Please share.
Sako
Share,
and Iringwa.
Psychologically, they not say, as they don't touch Secretary Chris, if Secretary Chris not control anger, if you tell the brother Field Marshal, just like how we do after the incident, we tell we're fighters, then where president can't tell we see they know the work, all fight they be the do for down, now from back a fighter, they be the day for Fako, they be for Victoria. Just like how we tell them. So just imagine, the one I be tell now before say, La Republic, if it was one person, what will La Republic not fit do? Now we are what they do.
Yeah.
Now, if Secretary Chris vex, Field Marshal don't be kill La Republic, then plenty.
Which day?
They don't stand to support President Sako. If Secretary Chris now she don't, it look the way how unpatriotic President Sako don't be. Just in the because of the fear. According to the the conspiracy where they use that with Uchemba, they say Secretary Chris want to take over President Sako for be the next president.
Just here.
Now, if Secretary Chris take the vex, now tell brother say stop fight. Indirectly, La Republic, they push the fight. Maybe saying only our brothers from the northern zone they fight. The one from the southern zone they don't fight. That's the strategy. That's the strategy.
Oh no.
The strategy where you work now, the way I think where you work, it indirectly shows the fight then only from our brothers from the northern zone.
But not true, no?
The strategy where La Republic do now on the game, on the board, it got me say if we go on a negotiation table with La Republic,
which
now,
negotiation?
there will be no Amazonia.
Of course not.
And do you know all this is working out towards the Swiss negotiation?
Which Swiss?
Do you know if I'm telling you the bitter truth?
Tell us.
If we go to a negotiation table now, La Republic will defeat us.
Of course.
I'm telling you, this one I'm messing to me, man of it.
And yet, no man no one dialogue with Una.
Now, La Republic will defeat us. Because if you see the operation is weaken everybody from the southern zone and let the war just be a northern zone war. But whereas our own county, Momo, there is no gun there.
No, exactly.
Our own county, Momo, Ayabacho has been doing havoc. I think we will not do nothing. You don't go say woman powerful for back to you don't go do one. Ayabacho has been committing. You will not see her come out in Momo.
Come and try. In Momo, you declare.
But when it concerns those from the southern zone, they say don't do the work. Do it. And it keep your own people safe, eh?
Of course.
You did fight for all sides for boy.
Tribalism.
For all sides. But when it comes to Momo, I think that's quite.
You declare.
Indirectly. That's why I said it today that if President Sako doesn't know, he's acting uncompromised. And Amazonians have to be careful.
Careful.
If President Sako doesn't know, he's acting uncompromised already.
Okay.
When I will come the next time, I will just say he's compromised. I will say it clear. Because Iringwa is weakening everybody.
Everybody.
Everybody from the Saudi zone.
Everybody.
Everybody that chased. She was involved in Eric Tato's going away.
That's true.
When Eric Tato went away,
Yes.
she was the same time involved, because when Eric Tato went away, Nambere was talking to her and Eric Tato.
True.
Nambere was communicating with me and Eric Tato.
Yes.
And Iringwa was the one sending Nambere money.
What happened?
Iringwa told Nambere, don't tell anything the president is saying. How did the message of Nambere and Iringwa get to Eric? How?
Two people know.
How did the message?
Eric, Nambere, actually three people.
Eric, that make Eric angry. That make Eric Tato call me and say, how can the president tell a fighter, which he knows I'm very supportive in this restoration movement, that a fighter should not talk to me?
Can you imagine?
A president could say that, but that could be secretly, not openly. Not openly.
Tell
we
us.
don't learn to respect even patriots who put their all. And that's the problem we have in this revolution. They just feel that when small power has been given to them, they can just march on everybody as the way Bia is doing. You don't respect patriots who go out there, sacrifice. That's what I didn't see here. Despite my sacrifice and everything
Your
we
sacrifice.
do, raise money to support the government, when it has to deal with people's pride, just like what we have been complaining about Ayabacho, it's the same nonsense this interim government is having.
And worse.
What is the difference between Ayabacho? What's the difference?
He's better.
We are seeing people now in the interim government all are self-interested people.
Self-interest.
Self-interested people. They don't care. They don't care.
They don't care.
That was what made Eric Tato went away.
Exactly.
That was, I think what that made, after Nambere became frustrated, see everything that happened, he too became discouraged. I said,
Chai.
if the woman will do so
Na so.
for this Eric Tato, that's why I told you that most people from the Saudi Zone, they don't talk, but they are mostly observers. Nambere, even though we now talk about Nambere, but Nambere, if you watch that case and say, but if the people, if you treat Eric Tato this way, this guy where he don't erase money, then do man say man not talk for you. I come out, I go tell Eric Tato. Then these people then blackmail us. So today this guy don't can be compromised. So then wait till be my own fate. You see, it led to Nambere's going the way. The president stay
Quiet.
President not talk nothing for that case. He come for Kuku Blinks.
Cuckoo blinks.
Kuku Blinks there, he fight for restoration movement. He did support. He did fly from all country.
Yes.
Interim government only support Kuku Blinks with 100.
100. Hey.
With the pay we have flight go for Uppsala, she was there. A hotel, now then go book their hotel. Now then go help do all thing. Everybody was there.
Iringwa.
They get blackmail can come up for a name. Uchemba follow which the president from now Saudi Zone, the president seal him up so
Zip.
the president not talk.
He no talk.
He not block.
He no talk.
It's still quiet.
Quiet. My contribute them, I go make the live broadcast even more interesting. I want to show now something quickly. I don't load something quickly where I don't send them to this phone. Okay, when I continue to listen.
$1,000. But you know say the day where Mr. Richard tell me say, may we put our money for under the IG. I said no.
No.
That we already have our this thing. We already have our this thing treasury. I mean our cashier. And wata we have our own things we are doing. Uchemba them. Bad blackmail start. Afterward we don't tell Uchemba wait till it happen with a fan. They enter blackmail. And wata nobody should give money to individuals. Nobody did it.
Blackmail.
Watana will support every county. Iringwa. Prince Jeka from Saudi Zone.
Iringwa.
Poop. They don't kill the temple for Watana Wata. People now say they will forgive. No, nothing.
In no day.
The temple for Watana Wata, it don't go.
It drops.
Iringwa again.
Iringwa.
Now. You change again. The next on the line.
On the line.
They don't touch all the others.
Yes.
Secretary Chris. Secretary Chris. He can look and say, the woman don't move everybody from the southern zone, even the way they stand against you from the northern zone. This woman don't watch everybody.
Yes.
Who will be the next?
Next.
And Seti Crazy, why even put up this team? Seti Crazy talk and say, I don't ask Sunamo to pay bills for ABC. Now when they want to do draft where they don't go pay that bill, say. Now when they want to do that ABC World Draft, now when I can come and say, oh, the ABC TV bills have already been paid. For the past 2 months, they did not pay. Because she wanted Seti Chris to be frustrated and leave
Yes.
for Paddy to come and take it.
Aha. Una yeah.
She
Secret.
wanted Seti Chris to leave for Paddy to come and take it over. As Paddy be not struggle for destroy Dexter, he Saudi Cameroon TV, he not succeed. He don't get platform now since he be in law for Iringwa.
Una yeah.
Since he be in law for Iringwa, he don't
Tribalism.
get platform for Kanshidon, for the insult activists the way now we don't keep this revolution for all these years. Even before President Sako ever dreamed for be president,
Una
we
yeah.
activists kept this revolution for 2 years.
Una yeah.
Seti Chris look at Seti Chris say no, this cannot work.
Wait.
President has to adjust this woman.
Okay.
Seti Chris do answer when no say it is touching at the bad seat.
Of course.
That seat for President Sako.
You want
Do
touch
you all know-
Iringwa,
Let me give you one testimony.
Momo
This is
cartel, you the crazy.
Share.
I be Momo person too.
I was crash on an eye, me when no plenty.
Scratch am. Open your
Now
eye.
this revolution will succeed.
For whose side?
Do you all
Good
know
luck.
this name?
Tell me.
Helena Konji.
Helena Konji.
When I remember the same way where Seseko.
Helena
We dey-
Konji.
Helena, we deal with Helena Konji.
Yes.
Ambazonians, when I remember that time when Seseko be go jab, he talk this name about Helena Konji.
Yes.
I didn't go be the laugh, but you see the way President Sako and I didn't go day. Difference not even day. Like how Seseko and Helena Konji be there when it concerns financial connection.
Exactly.
I will bring it out here.
Tell us more.
You know, say, even before Seseko wan go jail, people don't ask Seseko. Me Seseko. People don't ask Seseko. Me Seseko talk about Helen Akonji. Seseko hide Helen Akonji sote.
Yes.
Hide Helen. You see, the same way where Helen Akonji be there. Now the same way where this that the same way where Iringwa did. Now, as a Christian say, oh, this woman, no, this woman will go. President now come up for ABC TV. He can say, Seti Chris don't give an ultimatum.
Ultimatum.
See, I be don't tell us how they watch in action. Say, President now come for ABC TV. When you hear say, and I don't tell you, say, President Sako, the mantle of leadership for this revolution, they can't come up for it. Some of now, when I am not talk, when I go say now, when I call President Sako, you gonna say, when I don't see the way they attack, somebody will not say I'm biased. That's why I say I'm the last person you ever say is tribalistic. I don't care whether you're from my tribe or you're from where. When it concerns merciful truth, I put it out. I don't care. I say it to the people. My vow for this revolution is to the people. Yeah. The mantle of leadership, they can't come out for President Sako yet. It can't come out. When Seti Chris tell President Sako say, this woman don't touch people them round. Everybody when this woman touch, you defy her.
Helena Konji,
You
mind
don't
that.
care whether these people they play an important role. You know if you take your personal issue involved for revolutionary issue. Any person where you get to deal with a lingua, where you get something, President Sarkozy, you know the waste 1 minute.
1 minute.
President Sarkozy act.
Yes.
I will give you cases.
Cases.
It not take 1 minute. Any person, any case where it touch Iringwa, or where it touch the act. It act immediately. Now, Secretaries don't come out. They can't tell you, say, you have to do something. He says, Secretaries give ultimatum. What is an ultimatum? What is an ultimatum?
What is an ultimatum?
Says nobody has the right to tell the president you must do this. If you tell me I must do this, that's or if you tell me I must do this and I don't do it, you will not come back. That's an ultimatum. No, you cannot tell me to do that. Secretary only said the president, you must take this issue, you must handle this issue before I return. And this woman must leave.
Must leave?
Because she has touched. He's right.
What do you mean?
If you have to be truthful, you have to tell the leader.
Wait, ma tell una something. For una ambashi no why blast them. Why una no fit understand something? Okay, In this particular situation, when I talk say Sako Ikome now na president, and na he they make the decisions them. So now Sako Ikome, he don't make a decision. Say he prefer Irene Ngwa to Chris Anu. Why would I not understand that one? Chris Anu, if you want to leave, make it leave. Sako Ikome don't make a decision. Say he go stay with Irene Ngwa. You wanna the joke with Momo Cartel? Now we Momo people they run this nonsense. Say Ambazonia. Whether now on the other side for La Republic or the other side for Amba, now Momo business. Mate una go move Aringwa Masiam. Now Aringwa own Ambazonia ya. Now we Momo people them we own Ambazonia now our business. Una ye final idiot.
The woman now they act now like president. Now they push people.
Now ye be president.
You go here.
Where?
President, we don't want this. And when president know very well, Dr. Tom Dula, they don't call me. Say I come for ethics committee. Why should I come to ethics committee when you cannot respect ethics of the land?
See nonsense. See the
non-entity. I don't summon me for ethics committee.
Wait, one go be for ethics committee.
Don't come like 2 times.
See the nonsense. See the shit, no white blast.
Because the one find out who tell me. The one know the merciful truth person when he tell me say I didn't go chase away the president from Mogamo. It's true.
It's true.
I didn't go tell the president. The president when he come out can't boast for we. Say you don't give me ultimatum. I didn't go tell you say you cannot be here.
Of
this
course.
Is not your county. You should leave.
Yes.
And the president left.
Now Momo person.
The person don't take whip. But for Fako, he can't suspend all things for Fako. Now in this today, people don't act. Fighters they don't even be coordinated. No change of command. No nothing. Look the way fighters they appear for 1st of October. Shoes for food they don't get. Nothing they don't get. They don't take acting haphazard.
Haphazard.
President Sako.
The
Pampa.
Irengwa.
The Pampa, the money keeper.
The money keeper.
The money keeper.
Yes, it's all about money.
The president said they don't give you ultimatum.
Ultimatum.
What ultimatum?
Yes.
What ultimatum when he's secretly dividing Saudi Caledonians? He asks to people, and he maybe doesn't know before he
Magabel.
Immediately to things that look.
Magabel, you don't craze.
The president acts immediately, but Uchemba is still roaming.
Magabel, you don't craze. Magabel talks say ethics committee go hold on top which mango tree.
When they come for Zoom to President Basket. I give President $100.
Yes, President Basket.
President Basket.
Yes.
I give. You don't bring a listen to BSCP JMO the creator.
It works
when they say President Basket, listen to BSCP JMO the creator.
Yes.
When they say President Basket, my president, to my president.
Yes.
Hey, Joshua, don't die. Amazon, don't suffer. When they say we have the president, but hey, that you not go drop something for president. Oh, to my president, I put $100 for president basket. We know the year we said that basket they do. We know the year we said because we actually don't share the watch. Ambazonian citizenship levy. I didn't go to the worker for us. They talk about audit. Who don't ever audit Ambazonian citizenship levy?
Go audit them now. If you get canal.
I was paying my citizenship levy. I just stopped them 1 month ago.
Stop us.
Who is auditing Ambazonian citizenship levy? Well, again, Ambazonian Foundation, that was a presidency. No man will be done how much you enter for day.
Exactly.
Only yesterday, one page Josh O'Brien 1 million. Who is auditing Ambazonian citizenship levy?
Go and audit it now, idiots.
You are the worker for all county there. The citizenship levy where Saudi Cameroonian citizens they pay that money.
Why? Comedy drama.
Where is the citizenship levy of Ambazonians? They don't audit it. For the past 2 years, where they don't pay
people don't know.
Audit for day.
Oh no. Oh no.
We have never heard about it. So you see, there are many things which are fishy.
These guys are a bunch of idiots.
Why can the president, let me go down to the real matter. Why can the president no sack
Irengwa? He cannot.
I said it very clearly.
That's a simple question, but he cannot.
They have not ever audited citizenship levy. I don't tell them that she don't quite for that thing.
Okay.
But if they push, and the way they don't do St. Chris now, they just say there's a fishy game. With this thing where I don't hear now about my Irene. Say that you control Ambazonian Foundation.
He control everything.
About Helena Konji.
Everything.
And with the innocent Southern Cameroonian people for here. When we give a leadership, they start making soon over there.
Where? Now Irengwa they control everything.
They have never audited citizenship levy.
Never.
We pay her end. We not go sit down for year. Una the work.
When I went my contributor, I want to show you something briefly. When I listen, this one now from Momo themselves. Now listen to this. Wait, ma take the audio. Ma take the audio up and then the volume up, and then I play them for una. Una listen to my contributor. Una bear with me.
See, this revolution no be your papa revolution or your mommy. Aringwa your mommy pima. See, this revolution no be your papa revolution or your mommy revolution. You take on top money, the chop money, people they die when they didn't even see the money. Aringwa, you are just there talking rubbish about them. Aringwa the revolution or your papa revolution or your mama revolution. I be don't pay salary for some person for the revolution. Some person for the revolution don't touch money, we touch her for the revolution. See. You will advocate now for sack you for the government for Ambazonia. If they don't sack you, Momo County will not work with you. The next thing now I say Momo County will not work with Aringwa.
Okay.
Aringwa is the devil in disguise in this revolution.
Una yeah.
All the bad name where Sako get na Aringwa give Sako the bad name. That is the devil we have in Ambazonia, not even Sako. The bad name and the devil we have is Aringwa.
Yes. So my contributor and that person we talk so now my brother from another mother. Na general for Momo. Now he that way he talk. Say Aringwa. Say it be worse. He say even the bad name where Sako get for that revolution. Na Aringwa give Sako a comment. No, not even Sako. So these people that now say when I know feel understand. If me I can't talk and they go talk today so countryman. No, now Momo, even the name Ambazonia, now from Goji Dinka, when na Momo man, the fund for some village for Widikum, now he give that name, say Ambazonia. Ambazonia is a Momo private business venture. Make una understand them. Now say Southwest them the first of a doll. And not the caution, not the truth. Now when I carry this thing on top head. The one way they ran today, where the camp can't do this live broadcast today. So Joshua Carr, now Limbe Pekin. Now the Southwesterners now they don't start the wise, small. And now why they don't tell us Ambazonia no go ever exist because Southwesterners they not be stupid. They be stupid now, but they no go be stupid forever. Okay, Momo people they know them very well. Say if the Anglophones they discover the truth about which way Ambazonia be about when a Momo man in business, now and a Northwestern private personal business. The Southwestern man and not go follow them. Now why that way they be try for pacify them? They be try for bamboozle them, for blindfold them, for manipulate them by making Southwest man it be a deliberate thing for make a Southwest person make it be the head of the Ambazonia comedy show. Now why that way they go bring some person where it be unknown to all Anglophones them. Ayuk Tabe no man no be no. Now man you man it be first day it be the teach for some university for Nigeria. No man no knowing for Cameroon. They just carry capital bam like the head of this comedy show. You said no know the game, the mafia where they put make the role where they put can play. Now for pacify Anglophones, Anglophones them from the Southwest region for make they believe say this, so they also be included for this nonsense say Ambazonia. Time where they catch the Shumbuloka for Konengi, what did they do? They try now for also bring another person where it go must be a Southwest man. It be a conscious, deliberate thing. But which way una no know na say now actually Chris Ano it be win their so-called election where them 12 be should run for inside room the vote time for be president. But because they be saying and say no person this thing it depend on propaganda and manipulation. So they see and say they so they need person where it go out there for Facebook for go make their propaganda and Sakoi Komena Mumu it no go fit do that propaganda job. So now why that way they be talking they so better make na Sako Ekome it be the president, the figurehead, and then make Chris Anu it be na the communications guy where if you go do propaganda because at least Chris Anu fit talk. So now Chris Anu be actually even win the so-called election where them 12 inside some small hotel room for some burning corner for Maryland. They go do one. Now the truth that my contributor. Now mafia. Okay now what the Rome can but which we wanna no understand properly na seweti na Aringwa he own where they come and say Ambazonia from Ambazonia Foundation Inc. to but the woman be smart. You know very well say Africans them they get a complex with women. They don't like to put woman for position of power. If Aringwa be been a man picking with canas, if we been at the so-called president, Aringwa it be strategic for Ambazonia. The position where he occupy him, we not ever hear ye. But now Aringwa they pull all the strings. If you take Aringwa out Ambazonia crumble, the so-called internet government. Ma tell una. Now why that way Sako cannot do without her, and why that Sako no fit ever shake Aringwa. What's way day? Regardless how much all these so-called activists they can rant about. The biggest surrogate, the biggest activist way Ambazonia don't ever get them. Now Eric Tato. Now the truth that Eric Tato discovered the mafia now since 2019. He started rant about Aringwa, rant about Sako, rant about all these things. He said go bring down IG. Sako said better bring down the IG, but for saying me attack Aringwa, na lie. Then now the next one with now Nanchop don't come. Aringwa. This one was just the video I come up for plan for now when inside Momo cartel, so-called General Gislen, where he began talk say Aringwa, ya mami pima, blah 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 blah. Sako say na lie because he knows how the reporter he bread. Na Aringwa, it gives Sako ikanas. Na Aringwa know who's away Sako ikanas day. You understand? Now a game and a business of interest, and Sako cannot survive without Aringwa because na Aringwa own Ambazonia. Na Aringwa, na Momo woman. That woman get power. Ma tell you now when it comes to this comedy show for Facebook. He get power. We never ever talk. Now, why that way, my contributor, if I go for Countryman live broadcast, Tama be there for Cameroon just 2 weeks ago, I dedicate one whole live broadcast for talk about Aringwa. Why would I think so? Now, because finally the Ambazonians, the Amba fools, and they realize the importance of that Momo cartel. Why Aringwa be so powerful inside to the extent where Eric Tato, a challenge Sako come and say better sack Aringwa or we destroy Ambazonia. Sako say better destroy the Ambazonia. Nanchop, Sako say better destroy him. Na Joshua Carr, Sako say better destroy him. Chris Anu, a challenge Sako say sack this woman. If you don't sack this woman, I know they return back for Amber Alphabet TV. Sako say okay, no return. Better no return. Eat day with Aringwa. Because he knows how he bread he be buttered. Okay? Now Aringwa, time where Sako they go make it that figurehead for Amber comedy show for Facebook. He never even get house where if it stay for them. He be stay now inside Aringwa house. Now because of Aringwa, where they make them they start paying rent, move it to better apartment, make it passport, make it even the one book flights for travel goes on site. Now Aringwa they book the flights because he be the work with American Airlines. Or now United Airlines they call them. Now Aringwa they do all things. Now what do they tell when I say this? So they get that citizens levy fundraising account. They get all these financial assets. They all now Aringwa they control everything when it comes to Ambazonia. Now why do we talk about the position where Aringwa a whole and personally inside Ambazonia? When I know we hear the talk say Aringwa na secretary or communication or whatever or secretary of defense or the position where Aringwa hold am now one way we not ever hear about. Resource mobilization. Now the title that way Aringwa get them. It be resource mobilization. I tell you now what the resource mobilization mean. It means now Aringwa they control everything finance. Whether they want to do a fundraising, it go through Aringwa first. Now you decide who's how the fundraising will go, how much it come in, and everything where they do with that money where they come. Now wait where resource mobilization be that. Okay? Well, if they want to do that, they have comedy, so-called war draft for Meme, for Fako, for Amber TV or whatever. Now, through Aringwa, if Aringwa no sanction them, it does not happen. Mateuna, you type, now why don't I never hear about Aringwa, but everything where they happen, now Aringwa. Everything. Resource mobilization. Time where Chris Anu deny, he say, he can't do that draft for Amber Alphabet TV. What did Aringwa do? He can't do the live broadcast. He says, well, I'm not joking with that woman, though. That woman, Momo woman, una the craze. I be Momo Pekin. Okay, when I see the tenacity where me I get them, now 1/4 of the tenacity where Aringwa get them, I tell you, my contributor, Aringwa get more cannas, it get more balls than all Southwesterners them combined. And I tell you now, from Ayuk Tabe to what do they call this one? Sako Ekome to Chris Anu, all of them combined, Aringwa get more cannas past them. As a matter of fact, now Aringwa own Sako Ekome cannas. Man tell you now for which kind of language we wanna go understand my contributor. Me will listen to this comedy a bit more when I listen.
Ask yourself, where is it? They will not talk, or they are not go lock. You go insist saying this. I'm not blaming him. He's a very good president.
Uh-huh.
But he should stand up. He should know that what La Republique is doing, let me round up this show.
Round them up.
What La Republique is doing is to weaken those from the southern zone. And Iringwa is playing the game so well.
So well.
Maybe Iringwa, no. Iringwa is playing the game so well. What La Republique is doing is to weaken those from the southern zone. Let it be that this war is only from our brothers up in the northern zone, but it will not work.
It is the truth.
It will not work. Ambazonians have paid their blood a lot. This war is a war for the liberation of Southern Cameroon.
Nonsense.
And if the president doesn't know that his action towards Iringwa, towards the Momo cartel, towards many people, he's driving many prominent people, prominent figures from the Southern zone, then he should be careful. Because the next time we will come live, it will be that he's compromised. As of now, he has scared away many. If not say some, they be patriotic like Marianta, where they don't just sit down quiet. Like me, Prince J. we no matter the cost we did it, most of us don't go. Many have gone. We will not watch it again.
I will not watch it.
We will not watch it. He has scared a lot. A president must be a unifying factor, not a president where he choose when to act. When he touch their own person with a corner, you not act. If you know something they tie you, talk, may we know. We don't test this thing. If you know something they tie you, talk am, may we know. Talk am.
People the door master.
Talk am, may we know. Southern Cameroonians, thank you. For all those that will be comment for my post.
Thank you so much for this entertainment, Joshua Carr.
And for una be the talk where I talk say President Ama Iringwa, the incident in UB. Una don't hear very well. Fombat open him up, clearly talk and say Major General Sagat, we are sending a warning to the Canadian ambassador. A defense person know they talk so. Only because he want shows people for FACO, he want make we mock say that they work. Wait, they know they work. So most of una wanna shit on for day. Before I want talk for you say, Uma will not lie. Una not go put them because tomorrow that incident will happen for UB. If he carry my head, he go jail.
Yes.
Yes.
Just watch and see. Not terrorism.
That incident when it happened for UB,
not terror.
If he carry me go jail. Because as of now, I am still the spokesman for FACO. This part I don't be silent.
Be silent.
I am still the spokesman.
Condition.
Under this incident, I am still the spokesman. And when they go do investigation about what to be used, what kind of explosive will be used for inside that place.
When are you sponsoring?
And it can't turn out say no be La Republique. Then they will say who is involved in FACO County. We have to distance ourselves from certain things.
But now when I cause the terror attack.
The way people are doing these things here, Sam Mung Dong, you don't respect my female general, go off. You must respect my female general. Whether she be Bamileke or what, she's giving her all for Ambazonia. She has chosen Ambazonia. And she's doing it more patriotic than you.
Chosen.
I don't come to my platform and tell her garbage. She's married to a son of Southern Cameroon.
Chosen.
If one woman, the way they don't marry for her brother, they do so. This revolution for don't work. So you know if you come from my platform, kind of talk. The kind of nonsense. So the president, if one can talk that talk, say be part of the say they posted it on top from back. When I go don't talk that from back, go don't delete them. But it's too late. You know that be one day.
Una year.
From back go under. He said the message has been sent. Major General Sagat, Faf. What for? Just like how we the Hala Ayabacho say Ayabacho no be supposed to go do that nonsense for Biafra. Like the kind of nonsense from back go do. What you do one shoe?
Okay. For una not understand. Wait they talk na say. Fombat, Amba terrorists under Sakwe Kome, they don't claim responsibility for the terror attack for University of Buea yesterday. So now wait that way they revex. Say they so they not be supposed to go claim responsibility because it make them look like terrorists because they are terrorists. My country. So now the stupidity this for these people them they be so stupid, so dull, unbelievable. I go play for another video. This one now from Ebenezer Akwanga because apparently this one it don't really start wrap up the so-called live broadcast way it do. So maybe we'll go now for our own page. So now the live broadcast this way when I watch them right now on a Better Cameroon Facebook page, okay? Now maybe we'll go for this video when Ebenezer Akwanga, Contumani post this video only about 3.5 hours ago. I want me when I watch them now only 8 minutes long and then I go wrap up if I get any other analysis for Giuna about this video, about this live broadcast today. I go giam. But now I want to thank all the people the way they don't share this video. Okay, this video I posted only less than 4 hours ago. It don't already get 17 shares, 7 comments, almost 1,000 views. Thank you, plenty my contributor when I match fire continue for the share. We need more shares, more than likes, more than comments. Thank you, plenty. Because we need to sensitize more people. When I listen to this video, now Akwanga they talk. Akwanga Beneza Akwanga they talk exactly what way me I don't talk him several times before. Say the Anglophone Cameroonian the own worst enemy. Now the Anglophone Cameroonian ISSF. Now listen to Ebenezer Akwanga ISSF when the so-called commander-in-chief for the so-called SOCADEF. Now listen.
Eko is the director of external research for La République du Cameroon, which means he has a job. Maxime Eko is the director of external research for La République du Cameroon, which means he has a job to do. Let you and me agree that there is a phone call where he is walking through that phone call to destabilize maybe ADF or one of the IG factions. Is that not his job? It is only when people who have caused problems, internal problems among us, they are looking for scapegoats. You can accuse La République du Cameroon for being scapegoat. No, I have parked my car in a parking lot because I thought I need to address this issue.
Address them.
The wahala that we have inside ACT was not caused by Eko. It was caused by greed, by individuals who don't want to respect one another, who don't think that we can sit in a place, debate on issues, come to terms. Even if the rest of ACT said we do not support, or I said APLM, if I'm there voting, or our able Secretary General, Dr. Taylor says we do not support that idea, the rest of ACT vote for it, we have to agree. We are fighting every day. Did Eko created CDN? Did he? Was Eko the one who was calling Dr. Kwanga and others Swiss cheese? Is it Eko? All the madness we are doing, we are unable to talk to one another. Yeah. We are fighting every day, pretending to talk to white people, but we cannot talk to ourselves. Is it Eko?
No.
Is it Eko?
No.
Or because that name is too short and small? You guys should stop running from your responsibility. There are some people who come here, they are trying to justify me stuff. Yes, I know Ambazonians. If you are going to organize a conference in Maryland, you will pay them air ticket. You pay them hotel. They will have free food. And maybe in the course of that, there will be free women for the men.
Free women.
And then the women too can showcase themselves. They will come. Invite them anywhere. Whether they are pastors, they are priests, they are what types you want to call them. They will come.
Hungry people.
They will come. Just have money for that ticket. They will not ask critical questions. They will not want to find out, is this thing going to bring us together or it might cause further friction? They don't question those things.
Nope.
Can you buy my ticket? Can I pick a visa? Can I fly? That is what they are asking. We got a problem. It's within us.
A problem.
It's within us.
Within us.
Those of us who say we are for the struggle, and those of us, Southern Cameroonians, who are not for the struggle, are still with the other side. We are the greatest enemy. We are the ones destroying our homeland. We are the ones who are doing everything to say, if peace doesn't come through me, better there's no peace.
No, me.
If that freedom is going to come, it is not through me. I'm going to spoil it. That is how you guys meet every day. You talk every day. You make all these arrangements. You carry all this madness around. And then you are always looking for scapegoat. You are looking for scapegoat. You don't even advise some of the boys. You find a general, they said this one is a general. A general goes to the market to collect taxes.
Yes.
Where have you ever seen that type of a thing? Oh, we have killed one general. You carry your people to the market to go and collect taxes? Fighting for your homeland. Because you don't trust even your foot soldiers to do the job. And then they just surround you. Or one will leave, they said he's going to a funeral ceremony. So you are a general. If you don't bury that person who is dead, knowing that what you are doing is more important, you don't bury that person will not be buried.
Nope.
How many have we lost our young men and women because those of you operating with them don't give them the right advice? You don't advise them. You don't talk to them. What do? You have your fingers ready. The moment there is picture of their bravery, you are sharing it all over. You don't even you don't care about whether you are exposing them or not. It's not Eko sharing those pictures.
Nope.
He's not the one exposing these people.
It's
It
me.
is you.
It's me. Yes.
You
Me.
who say you are Ambazonians or Southern Cameroonian.
Country people.
Because most of you are making yourself fools in this struggle.
Fools.
The only thing that is worrying me is that your foolery is leading to the death of our people
Foolery.
and constant destruction. That is where you people are champions.
Champions.
Hey, we will tear Bo Herbert. When Bo Herbert speaks, you can't find fault, you accuse him. You are married to Bamleki.
Not true.
That becomes your next port of call. But when you go visit Bo Herbert and that Bamleki woman cooks you eat, you are not afraid that you could be poisoned.
Nope. Now hungry people.
This is who you people are.
Hungry people.
This is who you are. You find religious zealots who are thieves,
Thieves.
moderators, pastors,
Zealots.
who stealing money from the people, criminals.
Criminals.
We must stop this madness.
Stop 'em.
Stop it.
Stop it.
accusing people for nothing.
Nothing.
There are people, like as I said in La République, our own people,
Our own.
who do not want this thing to end.
Yeah, me too.
The money they are making every day,
50 million.
only Jehovah Elohim alone knows.
50 million.
It is not Mazim Eko which
No.
who is making us to fight.
It's me. Country
Because
people.
if we have known that he's making us to fight since and we were smart enough, and we were conscientiously not deficient, or morally not bankrupt, we would have corrected ourselves long ago.
Since.
No. It is our zeal for power which is not existing.
Power.
It is.
It is.
Look at 1st October. Some made champagne and took the picture of one of our own brothers and put on that champagne. And then took the champagne and they were sharing it in other forums where they know that it is going to cause people to start throwing insults to someone who is in prison who is already suffering. Others gave money for people who are fighting and bleeding on the ground to make placards and put their pictures there in the same way Paul Biya is doing. Was it Eko who did that? Was it Eko who did those things? Who told these young men carry placards and put a picture by the side of it and write His Excellency? Or make a champagne and put this man's picture because we say, I am his surrogate, I support him. Are you for this struggle or you are for Akwanga?
For Akwanga.
Are you for this struggle or you are for Ayok?
For Ayok.
Are you for this struggle or you are for Sako?
For Sako.
Are you for this struggle, this homeland? Or it is Ayaba. If Ayaba doesn't do it, you will spoil it.
I'll spoil it.
Where do you belong?
What
do you want?
Nothing. Money. Blood money.
What do you want?
Blood money.
You guys have all come to the conclusion that there is no life after death.
Nope.
That you will not pay for anything you are doing here on earth.
Nope.
That will meet you tomorrow. That is why you are doing these things.
Exactly.
We are gradually moving to the position where we become condemned goods.
Condemned.
We are gradually. It is us.
Rapidly.
Our own people. Causing this chaos.
Not true.
By the way, I was in local 75 in Q3 when I went to Kondenge prison on Monday, June 2nd, 1997. My head of local, they call chef local, is Belinga Innocent, aka Malbero. He comes from the South Province. He's Betty. Do you know how he saved my life?
He saved your life?
Up to today, he's my brother. I communicate with him. Okay. Do you know how Belinga Innocent saved my life?
He saved your life. Tell us more.
So those of you who come out and say Dr. Kwanga, blah, 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 a Betty this, Betty murderer. No. They are Ambazonians. Southern Cameroonians who are worse than some Bettys.
Tell us more.
You are the ones killing our own brothers and sisters. Exactly. There are many of you. And the people who are even promoting this war are not the Bettys.
Exactly.
It is you.
And not me.
Southern Cameroonians.
Me.
Out of greed. When they come to, they ask you, what are we going to do?
Tell us in French.
Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? You tell them that no, il faut continuer de mater les gens là. I'm speaking French. Let us continue to handle them, to deal with them. Let us not give up. They don't do that for the good of Cameroon as a state, La République. They do that for their own personal pocket. They have sent their children abroad. They think if this war ends, they will not have continuous flow of blood money. So that they can take care of their women and their children abroad, the girlfriends they have sent abroad and all the rest. No, that is why they are doing that. It is us. That is why for so many years we are still doing the same thing. Instead of debating with La République du Cameroon, you find Ambazonians debating among themselves between federation and independence.
Exactly.
Ataya. Oh yes. I've supported some of you people who are killers. Witches and wizards. For the sake of solving this struggle.
So now in that, and at the live broadcast that way, we still day live with the Duam now. We don't day live now for almost 49 minutes, my country people them. I want to thank all the people that they don't join we as we join when match fire continue for the share make it go far and wide my country people them. Just to give a small announcement tomorrow when Friday the 12th of November 2021 for 5 p.m. Cameroon time when I go get IPP Awilo on my media prime. Now my media prime the logo that way when I know very well and when I go get Awilo IPP on my media prime it will present Ondabele with Beltus Atesong and Oka Nasri Clovis, 2 ex-Amber fighters them. They go there for IPP Awilo live broadcast tomorrow, 5 p.m., 12 November 2021 on my media prime. Do not miss it, my contribute them. When I match fire for the share and make all the black legs them they assemble tomorrow as well because Amber should know why blast they will get belly bite tomorrow. My contribute them. So now the small this thing that way I can't show now. Now match fire for the share Amber be totally confused. They don't even know what to do anymore. It be so sweet, my country. For giving us some other sweet news. Now say the population for Bamenda for mile 6, they compromise one Amber Shinoa Blast terrorist this evening. The picture it be a bit gruesome, a bit disturbing. So I know if you share that picture, my country people then for the compromisation, but I don't share them for WhatsApp. It go far and wide. But we know if you share them for live broadcast for Facebook and for Facebook page because the picture a bit bloody and a bit gruesome. We no want make Facebook a restrict our account. Now why that we need to share them for Facebook, but we don't share them for WhatsApp and it don't go far and wide. They compromise. Now then about 6 of them they become for kind of attack because they don't come last week for some hotel for they disturb people and for around Bamboo area. They collect mobile phones, money and all those kinds of things that they run. Today they come again for repeat business. And then the population say enough is enough. They catch one, they compromise, and the other one, then they run very fast. So now what did happen? It happened today, the 11th of November 2021, around 6:30 p.m. Cameroon time. And before I want to go again, I want to apologize for all my contributors. Say I come late for this live broadcast today now because of the time difference between the United Kingdom and Cameroon. As I be there, Cameroon, I spent the last 4 weeks for Cameroon. As I understand, so I be used to Cameroon time. When I come back for UK, I totally forget me say it is so come the UK it already there now for the winter time because what time for the UK it changed for winter and it changed again for winter we'll go 1 hour behind and for summer we'll go 1 hour ahead. Which way me say for summer the UK and Cameroon get exactly the same time, and for winter where we they in now. Winter time, the UK, they're 1 hour behind Cameroon. So for my clock, for my watch, I believe it is so now still 7 o'clock. Meanwhile, for Cameroon, already 8 o'clock because I've been promised to come live at 7:45. So now why that way I will be out of sync because I still be jet lagged. I never really adjust to maybe when I give me maybe 24 more hours, I go adjust to the time zone, the time difference, and all those kind of things that my contributing. So when I match fire for the share when I continue for the share even if you watch this live broadcast now for Facebook or for WhatsApp, for YouTube, whatever, and if you watch make sure say you share whether you watch live or you watch now later on, share with your country people them. We appreciate all the people that will always be for our side, where they encourage others, then where they promote the platforms where country don't create time for Facebook, for YouTube, for WhatsApp. We appreciate Wuna efforts them. For make sure so when a match fire continue to share and make it go far and wide, we continue for sensitize our general population, then for tell them the reality and the truth about Ambazonian terrorism and which way they happen for our loved ones them. Earlier today, I released another article on countrypeople.com where it be designed for help people the way they want to apply for get Cameroonian passport. When a part of my duty or my love for Cameroon, when a Cameroonianness, I write the article when I go for countrypeople.com, when I go see the article for today, and also for Cameroonianness Facebook page, when I go see the article for today, where I post them about how to make the new Cameroon passport. The system, how to access them, how to fill the form, or the documents where you need them, and all those things. And since I released that article, a lot of people they don't contact me. They ask kind questions that my country people. I know if you believe them. Chai, that 15 million small. I swear to God, 15 million for 1 month to do it to a country man, they do them is small. People they ask me kind questions. Say, are they for Spain? Who's me? If you go apply for the passports, one talk say we don't apply for High Commission or consulate or whatever, this and that. And I'm like, chai. Master, me I know they work for Cameroon police or Abeguna. I don't try my best. I only talk now based on my own personal experiences where I come up for Cameroon, and I do the passport for 1 or 2 people them. So I tell when I wait when me I experience them, and for better prepared when I answer some of my questions. But it don't mean say I don't become now the subject matter expert for apply for Cameroon passport. No, I don't work for the Cameroon state authorities. I don't work for Cameroon police, so I don't know some of the questions when I get them. When I fit channel them to the right authorities, they go help una. The information where me I provide them for una, and everything where me I know about the system and how that small information where me I put them out there. Maybe if you help una. And why that way I talk say any other person will get any other thing for Adam, make it leave them in the comment section. Because when you read the article, you go through the comments for the comment section. It go people they go there where they go fill in more meat onto the bones for because the talks one hand enough to tie bundle. Okay, one man enough to create a crowd, one man enough to create village, but it will need 2 or 3 more people then for can join, make we help each other. I want make we be our brother's keeper. Make if any information come our way be pertinent and it be valuable for any Anglophone, any Cameroonian, make we will share them amongst ourselves or help sensitize other people then. So now the way to me I try for start time now the initiative that way I want make all we will get that kind initiative for help each other for develop and build the country, and not just for she don't begin to talk say, oh, this government, oh, this and that. No, make we not be that kind of people that just don't talk today. So, oh, why Cameroon government no do this? Why Cameroon government no put this information out? Why Cameroon government no do this? I want make we talk say why me as an individual I no do this. I want I for appreciate like all these people the way they did for comment section that they leave comments them from Bally Boy, Them Boys, AB Moon, Noe Nathan, Manga Bell, and all una they here una they leave comments them Emma Amber, okay, who get Imbinu Clemens, okay, all these people them. I want, for example, you Le Loveline. I want make you next time make you no talk say why Cameroon government no put this information out. I want make you look yourself in the mirror and then you ask yourself say why me Le Loveline and no put this information out. You get an Android device for your hand. You get the powers for sensitize your general population and for help your brothers and sisters, for be your brother's keeper. Do it. You don't need no money permission. Just do the right thing. Okay? You get AB Moon. Next time we get Phil Anderson as well. Next time no talk say why Cameroon government no do this. Next time I want me you talk say why Phil Anderson no tell me this. Why Emma Amber no tell me this. Why Emilienne Go Bena no tell me this. Okay? Why you know, all these people, them Reza Fatima, people that when I don't go through the system, through the process, when I don't get experience about the system, when I fit sensitize each other, when I fit contribute to the building up and the development of the system and the country people them, and for help what people them, may they not go enter some shock. Okay, make we try to do our best. Now the thing, the small message that I bring on for una. When I march fire for continue for the share, and we don't there for live broadcast now 56. Almost 57 minutes. I go try to make this live broadcast and not past 1 hour. So we'll play our Kum Kum anthem when are only 30 seconds, and then we'll play our Cameroon national anthem when are only about 1 minute. We'll wrap them up. Make sure say the live broadcast it reach about 58, 59 minutes, but it no go reach 60 minutes, 1 hour. My country people them. I love all when I march fire for the share and make una no ever relent.
Hail, hail. Hail the Kumkumasa, we the Cameroonians, we pledge our loyalty. Kumkumasa, Kumkumasa, you shall free our country from terror. And your blessing shall be like the stars above. The Most High God shall be your guide.
Down a plans my country them. Now make we play our Cameroon national anthem, then we'll wrap them up, we'll go with our house, my country people them.